Hey guys, how's it going? It's obviously been a long time since I've done a video. I hope you are all doing well in these crazy times. Um, and things just got a little bit crazier here in Melbourne. I live just north of Melbourne. Today we had a bit of an earthquake, so I thought I would use this opportunity to say hello to people and let people know I'm still alive. I think it was only something like a 5.8 or a 6 on the Richter scale of the earthquake, so it wasn't too serious. But this is what a little earthquake can do to your your action figure collection. Um, I was actually expecting worse, to be honest, but yeah, I guess I know what I'm going to be doing for the next few hours. Um, so I'm not expecting, and yeah, I know this is like first world problems. As far as I know, there has been some uh, minor sort of property damage related to the earthquake. I don't believe anyone has been seriously injured. So, yes, first world problems, your action figure collection falling over. But as I was going to say, I'm not expecting too much damage from the Black Series figures or the 3 3/4 inch figures. Have a look at that top shelf. They held up pretty well, actually. Good on you. Um, Middle shelf, not so well. The lower shelf, these the middle and the lower shelf, I'd actually started packing up because the floating shelves are sort of sagging, so I've got to get those figures off and deal with that. So, anyways, yeah, Black Series figures. Don't expect a lot of damage there. Luke still standing strong at the top there. Mr. Gonk Droid that Sci-Fi painted for me, standing strong. Thank God he didn't fall off because it's a 3D printed figure and they can be a bit brittle. Middle shelf, yeah. The horror. Bobber standing strong. Han standing strong down there. Shelf held up pretty well. Not a lot going on there. Got all the old school Transformers figures down there. They held up pretty well. So yeah, my main concern was the Hot Toys figures because if you own Hot Toys figures, you know some of the bits and pieces can be a little bit brittle and the weapons can be a bit brittle and that sort of thing. So a bit concerned there. The Predators and Arnie all took a bit of a tumble. Alien and Terminator figures. Spawn held up well, but he's supported by his cape, and most of the turtles held up well as well. Unfortunately, Chirrut Imwe took a tumble. So this is my main concern. Or skiff guards, yeah. Yeah, this cabinet is my main concern. So I don't know if it was I doubt it was the force of the earthquake that opened the door. I guess it was the figures falling against the door that opened it up. They all had a fall. Return of the Jedi Boba Fett. Standing tall. Empire Boba Fett unfortunately had a tumble. These guys are held up pretty well. Unfortunately, Snow Trooper has lost his head. Hopefully, it isn't broken. Looks okay. Imperial Gunner has not done very well. Hopefully his helmet isn't smashed and scuffs, paint scuffs on the helmet. Just lost a hand, but that's easily reattachable. Lost the foot, easily reattachable. That's annoying. That's really annoying. Must have fallen on the snow trooper. I've just lost his little antenna as well. That was in there before. Where did that go? Yeah, I'm gonna have to hunt for that. Alright, like I said, Tarkin had a tumble too, but he looks alright. First world problems, but there you go. Yeah, like I said, I just thought I would use this opportunity to say hello, let everyone know that I'm still around. But yeah, I haven't had a lot going on collecting wise, and I haven't been on the YouTubes very much, but I'm hoping to get back into it soon. Alright guys, that is going to be it for now. Very short video, and hopefully I will see you soon.